Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today I have a lot of fun. It's planned for us, full of colors. We love colors. And I want to let you know that I would appreciate it if you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. That would be fantastic. I am on the way to 1,500 subscribers, and I'm about 25 away right now. So that's very exciting and something that is obtainable. An obtainable goal. What's that like? I don't know. Usually I set my sights on something so lofty I can never make it. But alas, 1,500, doable. But it's all with your help and support because you guys are fantastic and I love you so much. I do. Today we're going to do a look with an oldie but a goodie, the ABH Norvina. I almost said Nirvana. Here we are now, entertain us. The Norvina collection. This is the first volume, and I'm not doing magic swatches because there are frankly way too many colors. So I'm going to be doing a look with this palette. I cannot tell you the last time that I actually touched this palette and put it on my face. But we're going to have fun today and make a cute look. And you know I'm down with the purples anyway, if you didn't notice. I like purple. It's not a secret anymore. I'm going to start here with E1, and it is this glorious. It's like a pinky gold. Look at that. Looks so pretty. Putting that in my crease. Oh, I love this color so much. It is glorious. And it's just a beautiful pop of, it's kind of like an apricot. It's got a great gold shift to it, and you can see the shine in the shadow. And I have to say that my favorite Norvina palettes, I only own this. No, I own this one and this one, which is number 4. And number 4 is quite beautiful as well. And I'd love to have number 5 too, because I love the purples. Love the purples. Anyway, so let's get in here, and I'm going to take this color here, C3. It's gorgeous. It's just like a little darker than the last color that we used. Oh, and it plays perfect with this color. And that is beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain. Purple Mountains Majesty. I'm feeling very patriotic today. Don't ask me why, I just am. That is really pretty. Maybe I'm not gonna do a purple look. No, I'm gonna add some lavender. I'm gonna go into this light lavender color with my finger and put it on my eyelid. Oh, it's making kind of like a little sweet sunset. That's really beautiful. It looks a little different on one side than the other. That's a little more even. Now I need to put a darker color in the crease, in the outside of the crease, to really make it sing. Can't believe I haven't made a purple look, which is fantastic. I'm going to go into C5. It is dark as hell. It looks like a unicorn blood. Oh, there we go. There we go. And we need to blend this out with my favorite blending brush from Lexi. I think that is stunning, and I can't believe it's not butter, and I didn't go crazy purple. I found a different way through this palette. It's like magic, the variety that is in here. Let's do some liner and mascara, and I will see you real soon. And voila, here we have the liner and mascara. It looks great. It really sets this look off. I think I'm going to try Maybelline Super Matte Ink in number 80 ruler. I think this will look great with this look. It's one of my most favorite colors. Oh yeah. That looks great. Let's take a tissue. And it looks fantastic. And I'm super happy with how this look turned out. And I'm so glad I didn't go the purple route. But here we go with the Norvina Volume 1. Have a great day or choice. And we'll see you real soon.